Welcome to Unit 403 at Pier 57. Elegance and comfort in the heart of Puerto Vallarta's romantic zone.
This beautiful apartment has 2 bedrooms, each with its own full bathrooms and sliding doors for extra privacy. It also comes with a fully equipped kitchen and a very dining area where you can enjoy amazing ocean views.
My favorite part, this is incredible private terrace you can take the sun and amazing views.
Pier 57 amenities: a stunning rooftop with infinity pool, jacuzzi, gym, exclusive bar, and 24/7 security. A smart design, luxury finishes, and the ocean just a step away. Los Muertos Beach, Puerto Vallarta's most iconic beach. Golden sands, the famous pier, and non-stop energy, where tradition meets joy by the Pacific. Romantic Zone, the vibrant heart of Puerto Vallarta. Cobblestone street, irresistible aromas, and lively night. Just a step from the Malecon with art, music, and stunning views. Café San Ángel, local style breakfast on olas altas, chilaquiles, burgers, and great coffee. Ándale, all-day party with Mexican food, legendary margaritas, and fun vibe. Tuna Azul, fresh seafood with ocean views, straight from Los Muertos Pier. Airport access, only 20 minutes from the international airport.
If you like this unit and want more information, contact us at the link below. Follow us for more properties tour. Thank you for watching.